I think we all need to stand for the women who have no status.
A new report released in Montreal on Wednesday highlights the dangers facing immigrant women without legal status.
Women without status work here, they live here, they love here, they help their neighbors here, they grow their children here, they have families here. They are essential to the society, they're essential to our communities. They need to have status. We want access to health care and a regularization program now.
The report, Women Without Status in Action, Working Conditions and Health, was unveiled during the 12 Days of Action Against Violence Towards Women. It's the result of 5 years of participatory research by the Women's Committee of the Center for Immigrant Workers in Montreal, which has supported migrant and immigrant women since 2000. Susana Ponte Rivera says the project was carried out by undocumented women themselves.
2 of our members died in 2020. They did not have immigration status, and so they had been without status for many years. So that takes a toll on the health.
The research reveals widespread exploitation and abuses. 42% of women reported sexual harassment at work. More than 50% experienced wage theft. And 73% said they felt sadness, depression, or despair almost every day in the past 6 months. Ponte Rivera says these conditions worsen because undocumented women are denied access to basic services.
Women without status are dying because they don't have access to health care in Canada. And we don't think that all Canadians are aware of this.
The committee warns that fear of deportation also traps women in violent situations. They're urging governments and police forces to stop immigration status checks and to end collaboration with the Canada Border Services Agency.
Of course, 99% of people without status are racialized. They are at a higher risk of being stopped by the police, and then the police checks their immigration status. That is totally unacceptable. We ask the police to stop doing that. We ask Fadi Daguerre to tell the Montreal police and all of police to stop doing that. We ask the Minister of Public Security of Quebec and of Canada to take this issue seriously, and it is very urgent.
In Montreal, Adriana Gentile, City News.